Hey North, welcome back. It is week 16, lesson number 2. And this week I am teaching you the body percussion dance to the song Sleigh Ride. All right, let's go over the part of Sleigh Ride that we have already learned. Are you ready? Here we go. It goes clap, head, shoulder, lap, feet, clap. And do it again. Clap, head, shoulder, lap, knee, hip, feet, clap. Sorry guys. And then it's T T T T ta ta, T T T T ta ta. Good. And we looked at the rhythms for the T T T T ta ta in our first lesson. So we don't actually use tas and TTs for rhythms like grown-up musicians, right? So how do we actually count that? We do 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So hopefully you've got that figured out. So then after that, we do the hand jive, remember? We do lap, clap, slide, slide, fist, fist, thumb, thumb. All right, so let's try all of that with the music, and then once we review that, then I'm going to teach you the new part, and the new part is pretty easy. Here we go. Here we go. Repeat it all. Clap. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Ready for the hand jive? Clap, clap, slide, fist, fist, thumb. All right, great job, guys. All right, so now I'm going to teach you the rest of it. And the first part of it just goes like this. It just goes pat, clap, snap, clap. That's it. Pat, clap, snap, clap. Now, you might be saying, but Miss Heyman, I don't know how to clap. What should I do? Just fake it. That's what I always say. Just fake it. Just try. Because you know what? What you're doing really is practicing snapping, and maybe by the time this song is over, maybe you'll have figured out how to do it, right? So it just goes pat, clap, snap, clap, okay? Pat, clap, snap, clap, and guess how many times we do this? We do it 8 times, okay? So we do that 8 times. All right, so that's section, we're gonna call that section A, all right? Then section, what's the next letter in the alphabet? It's B, right? All right. So for section B, what you're going to do, well, what's the song called? It's called Sleigh Ride, right? And what's pulling our sleigh? A horse, right? So for section B, all of section B, you get to gallop around like a horse. Now I'm just going to stay in my spot, but at your house, make sure you're not going to run into anything. But you are welcome to do a little galloping around your room a bit, okay, during section B. So it'll go section A. The section A is just this thing. That's it. And then section B, you're gonna ride that horse. Ride that horse. And then we'll back to the section A. And then you do the part that we learned in the last class, which is the hardest part. So if you got that down, you're all set. Do our hand jive and all that. And then guess what? We go back to section A. And then guess what? We go back to section B. And then guess what? You go back to section A. And then the very, very end of the song, which we call the coda of a song, is the end. The end, you actually do the hand jive, and you do pat, pat, clap, clap, slide, slide, fist, fist, thumb, thumb, and then guess what? You remember that 1 and 2 and 3, 4? You do that one time, and then you say, Sleigh Ride! Just like that. So the very end goes like this. Pat, pat, clap, clap, slide, slide, fist, fist, thumb, thumb, rest, rest, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, Sleigh Ride! So that's how it goes. I am going to go through the whole song. You just follow me. Just follow me through it, okay? Ready? Here we go. Before we do it with the whole song though, I forgot, I have to tell you about the intro. We have to do some more snappings at the intro. So the intro, all you're gonna do is just take your hand and you just snap it. And snap it. Just follow me. We're just gonna do some snaps at the beginning before we start with our section A, okay? Section B. You ready, Alec? Got it. Here we go, then. Are you ready? Back to A. You ready to move on? Ready to do B, which is what? Galloping. Back to A. Ready for the ending? Get ready. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Sleigh ride! All right, great job, you guys. I hope you had a good time on our sleigh ride. I had a good time on our sleigh ride. So I have one other thing for you guys to do today, and that is you need to go back to the Bitmoji Classroom page, and I put a link up called Meet a Ballerina. Now, do you remember last week when we were studying the Nutcracker Suite, and we learned that the Nutcracker Suite is actually a ballet, right, where the story is told through dance and through music? Well, this is a little video clip, it's not very long, where a couple of kids get to go and talk to an actual ballerina, and I thought you guys might enjoy watching that. So go ahead and check out that clip. If you didn't get a chance to check out the sleigh ride clips from the first lesson, there's the virtual sleigh ride with Santa you can go on, and then you can actually click on another sleigh ride link that takes you on a real sleigh ride out in the snow. So check those out if you haven't done that already. I had a great time on our sleigh ride. I hope you had a great time on our sleigh ride, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.